Hi guys, VST here and Speedtest. Lights. This here is the S22 Ultra running with the infamous Exynos 2200, and this here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that is made by TSMC. So, is this the real deal? We're gonna see. This is gonna be a speed test, and if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe because a lot of videos are coming. For the Z Flip 4, testing the 8 Plus Gen 1, benchmarks, throttling tests. Yeah, I might as well want to throw it in the microwave and see what happens, but that will be really dumb, and then I'm going to continue. Animation tests, camera opening closing tests, fluidity tests, you name it, I will probably have it because I'm just eager to understand how good is this phone and will I keep using it over the S22 Ultra, guys. Now, to set something straight, this here is using the One UI 5, which is the better one, alright? And this phone is using the latest stable One UI 4.1.1. So this here is Android 13 and this here is Android 12. And also, something very important, guys. I was just thinking the premises on this test, like what is really the best way for me to compare a speed test. And first time I thought about this, I was thinking to probably just switch my S22 Ultra to FHD Plus, which is actually the resolution that is used on the Z Flip 4. But then I thought, no, who is just paying $1,000 using the S22 Ultra on FHD Plus? Doesn't make sense. So I will just keep these phones on their best settings, all right? And also, guys, here you see the hint is enabled. What I'm gonna do right now, I will actually clear all my notifications. Okay, so cleared, and I will also try to close all of the applications and then do the speed test. The other premise, very important, this phone here was cloned from this phone there, so it should be one-to-one. I have here all the exact same apps, all the applications installed on both phones are the same. The only thing that is missing here are the photos. Everything else is pretty much cloned, so this is gonna be the speed test. Again, guys, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon because more videos are coming. So we are going to be starting first with the social folder, then the medium, then I'm gonna open some games, and well, we're just gonna see which phone is just handling these things quicker. So without any further ado, let's buckle up and start. Then let's start with the social folder. I have a feeling it was a bit quicker here, but okay, probably on par. Let's now open the Telegram. Okay, definitely on par, a bit of a scrolling, okay. 120 Hz on both phones. We are gonna keep Telegram in the memory, guys. Let's scroll down somewhere around here where we see the Google Camera port updates. The idea is to come back and to see which of those phones is gonna keep this in the memory. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes of physical RAM, and of course they're using also virtual RAM. So now let's continue with the Messenger. I think this was pretty obvious, guys. Win here. Now let's go and let's do Facebook. I was not sure about this, but let's assume that it was on par. So let me open Facebook again. All right, let's scroll down a bit so that we just memorize something that is pretty much the same, and we can always go back and turn back the time and see if we're gonna keep this image. All right, yeah, that is a Vasco Javadna, like Vasco the Frog. It's very famous right now, the place I live. Anyway, let's just keep it like this. And then, guys, let's just open Telegram in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think here, guys, here this was quicker. Definitely the winner here. Then let's just try to add something new. So let's just add here with the plus. All right. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You see, these micro stutters and lag in the S22 Ultra, they really drive me crazy. So let's just do this one more time. I'm just gonna go this time to the left. Yep, okay, I think here this was probably the back camera. Okay, I'm gonna close this one. Let's do this test again. All right, guys, I think this speaks for itself. Let's continue with Snapchat. Open social folder, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Okay, guys, I think we have a clear winner, by the way. So let me just now go here in 3, 2, 1. Definitely quicker, guys. I think that's the case. Right now, the Z Flip is just leading. Okay. I'm gonna skip Viber because I just have one account here, and now let's open TikTok in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! destroying the S22 Ultra by far, really crazy. Let's do now the same exercise with Twitter. In 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I know some people will say, yeah, you know, I overreact. No, I don't overreact. I just see with my own eyes. I did this test also with the S21 Ultra with the Exynos 2100, and this was doing better. I did this also with the Pixel 6, and I was a bit depressed because I think the Pixel 6 kind of destroyed the S22 Ultra sometimes. This thing destroys them all. Like a mouse. Now it's time to open some of the media apps. I'm going to start Mixcloud in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Oh, you know, usually I would have said something like, you know, that the Z Flip 4 is trashing the S22 Ultra, but I think here we are speaking like for 1-2 seconds of luck. Yeah, I'm not sure what the correct word is. It's just really destroying it. Now let's open Spotify. Very slow on both phones. Here though. Okay, let me go in my library. Okay, about the same. See the scrolling. All right, it's pretty much the same. And yeah, guys, let's just open and do Twitter scrolling. It is inside the memory, so I'm just going to refresh it. And let's just see, guys. Oh my god. See, it's really worse on both phones, but I still have a feeling it's a bit better on the Z Flip 4. Twitter is so not optimized. We now continue with the Galaxy Store. Okay, again, I think the Flip just trashing the S22 Ultra. Now let's open the Play Store. Yeah, I don't have any words, guys. I think it's pretty much obvious. Now let's try some of the Google applications. Let's now open, for example, YouTube. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm not sure, is it the connectivity or something else? But I do have a feeling that, yeah, I mean, you know what I mean. Let's open now Home. Alright, here's not set up, but I think you pretty much get the idea. Now let's do something else, guys. Now let's go to the left where I have my Google feed and just pay attention to this phone because I know this is gonna lag. Okay, maybe both lagged a bit. Alright. Yeah, it's not so bad, right? Let me just go one more time. Yeah, I think both here are doing great. And now it's time to launch some of the games, guys, because this probably will hopefully give us some true indication. Let's now open Asphalt. I'm very thrilled. Okay, Game Love logo here first. Wow, the S22 Ultra was loading Asphalt quicker than the Z Flip 4, and that's interesting. And I'm not sure, perhaps they did optimize it for the S22 Ultra and the Exynos, I don't know. Let's now try to start Minecraft in 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Ooh, almost on par, but I think still the lead a bit quicker here on the Flip. And you can just see, guys, even accessing things like the recent tasks, is so strange and so goddamn slow on my S22 Ultra with the Exynos. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do, remember the first time we opened Telegram and I put it somewhere around in the middle where I had Google port updates. I'm going to now reopen Telegram and see if this app is gonna be kept in memory or refreshed in 3, 2, 1. Okay, no, not a problem at all, okay. In the next few minutes, I decided to even out things a bit and I switched my S22 Ultra from WQHD Plus to FHD Plus and the results were still the same. That's why I'm not showing this on the video, guys, but you have to trust me, this Z Flip 4 consistently was loading faster, quicker. I'm not saying better, you probably will say it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, please. You and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos, guys. Visti, over and bye.